Yoga with Zoey. Don't forget to tap like and subscribe so you can join us every day for calm, fun, and mindful yoga adventures. Let's begin! Easy pose. Sit beautifully like a blooming lotus. Great start. Seated side stretch. Lean over and reach to pick an apple. Now switch sides. Good job! Seated spinal twist. Twist your back to look like an owl. Now switch sides. Well done. Cow face pose, eagle arms. Wrap your arms and legs tight like a vine. Excellent. Standing forward, fold. Hang loose like a rag doll. Awesome! Wild thing pose. Open your chest to welcome the sunshine. Now switch sides. Fantastic! Monkey pose. Split your legs to jump over a small stream. You are doing great! Extended puppy pose. Stretch like a puppy in the morning.